Welcome to the Forex Systems presentation and explanation of our institutional grade research powered by Trading Central. Trading Central is a leading investment research provider to market professionals and is a registered investment advisor with the SEC. Forex Systems is a Forex introducing broker that is a member of the NFA and registered with the CFTC. This is our risk disclosure, disclaimer, and risk warning. This presentation, including the research product, is intended for educational purposes only. It should only be used in conjunction with your trading strategies, and it should never be used to replace your individual research or due diligence. In addition, Forex trading involves risk. Due to the enhanced leverage available on Forex, losses will be proportional to the leverage used in your trading. You should not trade with money that you cannot afford to lose or that would otherwise change your lifestyle or well-being. Before proceeding, please pause this presentation to read this slide thoroughly. Our institutional grade research is provided to you every morning on or about 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is just prior to the opening of the U.S. markets. We send this research out via email and is titled forexsystems.com Daily Technical Levels. We can see what this email looks like here. When you check your email, please look for this title so that you may access your research and that will not be in your junk mail folder. The daily newsletter covers the 6 major currencies that you see in the blue box at the top of the newsletter. It also includes entry price targets with alternative scenarios and contains commentary on each currency pair covered. For this presentation, we will be examining the Euro USD chart that was sent out on Monday, February 1st, 2010. At this point, the Forex markets have been open for just over 12 hours and liquidity is generally flowing into the market. This is the Euro USD chart that we sent out on February 1st. This currency pair is the most widely traded currency pair and by extension the most liquid. You will see next to the currency title a brief description describing the sentiment of our analysts at Trading Central. In this case, the sentiment is bearish, marked by a negative trend line with RSI that is north of 50, lacking upward momentum. All the technical analysis on our charts is based upon the pivot point. The use of this term sometimes leads to confusion because it is not used in the ordinary sense of pivot points. Most technicians define pivot points as the high plus the low plus the close divided by 3. However, we use the term pivot as meaning a key technical level, where our analysts turn from bullish to bearish or from bearish to bullish. All preferences are based off this price level. In determining this point, our analysts favor using Fibonacci levels either via a retracement or projection, along with classical technical levels such as gaps, horizontal lines, etc. The choice depends on current market conditions and configurations. Our research gives you 2 alternatives to use in your trading. If you agree with the sentiment of our analysts in the chart and are bearish on Euro USD, you will look for a short position below the pivot, here 1.3945. Also listed are key price points where you may choose to exit the market or take some profits. However, if you disagree with our market sentiment, an alternative scenario is presented. One mistake many of our users make is that they think the only time the chart is valid is when it is released. However, these are intraday charts that should be valid all day. When you use these charts, compare the current market conditions to the technical analysis contained in the newsletter. In this case, it could be below the pivot, it may have broken through one of the technical targets, or could be hovering above that. You can still use the charts to assist you in making your trading decisions or confirmations. The last key feature is the comment field. This field is where our analysts briefly describe what they are looking at for that current particular pair. In this example, the RSI appears to have topped out, but no definitive trend is apparent. Take this with the downward trend on the pair, and the overall sentiment of our team is negative, going back to the market commentary in the green part of the chart. Now that you have seen the product and you can use it, what are the next steps for you? If you have further questions, please email us at info@forexsystems.com or visit our website. Forex Systems initially provides this research free as a 30-day trial period. After that, if you wish to continue receiving our research, You must either buy this service on a monthly subscription for $100. This can be done at our website. The other option is that you can continue to receive this product for free by opening up a Forex trading account with Forex Systems as your broker. We currently clear through FX Solutions, FXCM, Forex.com, FX2D, and others. This product will be free to you as long as you trade 7 standard lots or 7 $100,000 trades per month. That concludes our presentation. We hope you have found this presentation helpful. Once again, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at forexsystems.com. Thank you.